All right, welcome back. Brian's on the hot seat this time, but before I forget, click on the link below, give us some likes, get on Trade of the Day, get our best picks all time. Don't forget Ford, that was on Trade of the Day. You guys are cleaning up on that. It's a really good pick. Thanks, Brian. I'll pat myself on the back for that. All right. While I'm giving myself a pat on the back for Ford, I got to give you a huge pat on the back for AMC because you recommended AMC not last week, not last month, but a year ago when it was at $3 right here on this channel. And last week it jumped to 30. This week it jumped over 60. So you're the king of meme stocks.
Gold star of achievement, right? Both of us.
Now onto the hot seat. You are the king of meme stocks.
Stonks.
Meme or meme?
Meme stocks.
Meme stocks.
Yeah,
I don't know how to say it because I don't follow this stuff, but you do follow it. So tell me, what do you think about what's going on with these meme stocks like AMC and things like that?
Yeah, I think it's so empowering. It's a great thing for traders like everyone watching, because here's what's happening, and this is why I love it so much. You've got hedge fund managers who are short these names, and they're not covering their short, right? And then you got the retail investors sitting at home in their parents' basement playing video games who are buying these stocks, and they're not selling their shares either. They're, it's called like diamond hands. That means that they're going to buy and hold forever. So you got the hedge funds shorting, you got the retail investors buying, and neither one is giving in. And you've got this amazing like tug of war. So you get huge volatility moves up and down. And what we can do as traders, we're chart followers. So we're not going to buy and hold. We're not going to short and hold. We're going to actually play the ups and downs. So you have two sides who are basically revealing their hand to you. They're not going to cover their short. They're not going to sell their long. And it's going to just be up and down like a bouncy ball. And us as traders, as chart followers, we could trade these up and down and just hit winner after winner after winner, whether it be Best Buy or SoFi or Virgin Galactic, SPCE. All these names are in play right now. It's making huge moves. I love it.
Okay, who's got more money though at the end of the day, the hedge funds or the little guy?
Well, I'm sure the hedge funds do, right? I mean, if the little guy is getting excited about free popcorn at AMC, and that's what's causing them to go buy more shares, then I'm pretty sure that the hedge funds have the money.
So we can agree at the end of the day, it's probably not going to end well for the little guy.
It historically has not ended well for the little guy, but in the case of GameStop, that trade has not busted yet for them. No. So that's why I think we're in this new era, this new market, right? Where like the power of, chat boards and Wall Street Bets and all these boards are coming together to actually give the hedge funds up in their, tower offices, their corner offices, they're giving them a run for their money. And this is why this is such an unprecedented event right now, because never before has a retail investor had so much power than they do right now. And that's why I think this whole phenomenon is just so fascinating. And for us, so profitable to trade.
Well, I'm glad that you're in our corner on this one because I know you follow this stuff religiously. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is one that I think you really can answer well because people really don't understand it. Okay, I want you to explain to people what speculation is.
Okay, all right. To me, speculation is any activity, any action where you commit money with the purpose of making more money in the future. That could be Michael Jordan rookie cards. That could be, Airbnb or Ford stock. That could be real estate. If I buy a bottle of Perrier water for $1 with the expectation to sell it for $2 tomorrow, that's a speculation too. So the art of speculation is kind of like a very, you have to kind of craft that art, because doing it properly is not easy. But when you know how to speculate properly, it can be very, very lucrative in all facets of life. So what we do in the War Room is what we call smart speculation, right? We want to speculate in a way that limits risk, right? But also maximizes our returns when our speculation turns out to be correct. So I think that's, the old saying is that when you're investing, you want people to agree with you in 6 months' time, right? Like you want to get positioned now and then have people be like, oh yeah, that guy was right 6 months down the road. So that kind of like mentality is what we do with all of our smart speculation plays, whether, maybe it's a one day hold time or a 6 month holding time. That's the difference between what we do. Like I do speculation quicker, you do it longer term with Ford, but that is kind of how I would.
But we all know that when we speculate, we're taking a risk, right? It's not like there's no such thing as a sure thing on Wall Street. We can come pretty close with our track record. I mean, we're up like 80%, 78, 80% win rate. But people have to realize, and we realize when we trade, that we're making bets.
Sure. I mean, I think the definition of speculation has the words risk in it because it is inherently a risk. Like if you don't want to speculate, then just go buy some asset paying 0.5% and enjoy that over the next 10 years. But we want to take a little bit more risk and enjoy a very powerful, better return. And if you do that properly, like you just said, we're speculating at an 80% success rate. I will take that any day of the week.
So will I. Okay, now you're off the hot seat. Next week I'm back on. I can't wait.
Yeah. All right. I mean, thanks, guys. I mean, that was a fun hot seat. I think going forward, what we want to do is we want to start doing some rapid fire. So click this link below. Put in the comment section if you want to see some rapid fire where I pop off like 5 questions to Karim. He pops off 5 questions to me. I think it'd be kind of like a fun evolution of the hot seat episode. So if you want to see that, if you guys want to see that, put that in the comments below or put any other suggestions in the comments below, and we will incorporate them into our hot seat episodes as we go forward.
Let's do it. And don't forget to click on the link and sign up for Trade of the Day.
See you guys. Thanks.